Hello! It's another narrated killer Sudoku. I know. Who knew? Where do we? What's the point of this? Okay, so the point of this is that you maybe like the look of these puzzles, or you do normal Sudoku and you don't know what the difference is. You see this thing here, and you think, oh, that's all very intimidating, but it's not that intimidating once you understand it. Okay. So where do we start with normal puzzles? We always start in the same place, which is getting easy ones. So, for instance, this one, 4. If you've got a cell and it's around a single box, then that means that it is just whatever numbers in the blocks. So easy peasy. Then what we also look for is we look for ones where there's only one solution. Like for instance here, 8, 9, 17 only has one solution. This 5, this 6, because it has 2 solutions, but because there's a 4, it can be 1 and 5. In fact, that solves this one as well, because if this can't be 1 or 4, because it's in this box, it has to be 2 and 3. So that square has a 1 and a 4, can't be 2, has to be 2 and 3, and that pairs with 2 and 3. So where are we? 8 and 9. 8 and 9, here's another one. Oh, I forgot they had an 8 there. Whoopsie doodles. 1 and 5. Also, and here's a weird one. This is usually a bit more advanced. We've got 2 10s on a line, but we've got 2 and 3, which eliminates 2 of the solutions from 2 4 boxes. So as a result, you can treat these like a quad, which is 1 4, 6 and 9. There we go. Which means that's a 5. That's a 1. That's confirmed. So what we got left in this one? Can't be 1, 5 and 5. There's 2. What goes in here? So if it's 1, 4 and 9, that has to be an 8. That has to be a 9. Which means that can't be 1. Which means that this has to be 7. And that's 2, which solves that. And then leaves us with a nice little pair here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 6 and 8. And 6, that can be 5, or it can't be 5, so that's got to be an 8. 3, 6. Now, this is 6 down here. Can't be 2 and 4, so this has to be 1 and 5. What do we have along here? So, 2, 3, 8 and 9. Okay, so we've got another fake quad here, which means that this, and this have to be 4, 5, 6 and 7. Oh, that can't be a 5, can it? So that can't be a 6. 9. Can't be 1 and 8. Can't be 3 and 6. Can't be 4 and 5. So this is 2 and 7. There's a 2 in this square, so that's going to be a 7. That'll be a 2. And then what's left over? 3, I think. So if that's 4 and 6, that has to be 5 and 7. Oh, but now I've got this is a remainder pair as well. I know it's a bit more advanced, but let's do that one. So 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 27 plus 8. So this and this has to add up to 10. Really? Really? Let's try that again. 10, 11 plus 5. No, 11. 10 plus 11, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26. 26 plus 8. Yeah, it's 11, not 10. Phew. 5. So yeah, this can only be 5 and this can only be 6. Which means this can only be 4. This can only be 5. 6, sorry. Yes, 6. Cool. So let's keep looking. Okay, so this can't be 7. This can't be 8 and 7 and 8. That can't be 9 there. So this is a 6 and a 9. If this is 6 and 9, this has to be 7 and 8. Now, down this way. So 10 can't be 6, 8 and 9. So this is 3 and 7. 3 and 7. This can't be 2 and 7. So it can't be 1 and 7, 2 and 6. This has to be 3 and 5. 3 and 5, which solves this. This is 1 and 5. So this is 3 and 5 like that. 7 and 3. So what's going in here? 1, 2, and 4. 2 and 4. We haven't got enough information on this one, so just put them in. So then that means we've got like a scanning solution down here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7 goes down here. 8 goes down here. And then 9. 9 can't go in here. It's too high for an 11 triple. Then the highest is 8. So 9 will have to go here and here. Okay, so 11. That'd be 3 and 8, 4. So that'd be 2, 5, 6 and 9. No, we're not down enough yet. 3. Okay, can't see any more obvious ones. So, if we can't see any more obvious ones, then let's just get stuck into this. Otherwise, so this here, 11, can't be 3 and 8, can't be 4 and 7. It's 2, 5, 6 and 9. So, in here there's a 2, in here there's a 9. What about down here? I've got filling. So, if this is going to be 2, this will be 8. This is 4, this is 6. So that means that this is also basically 10. No matter which way you break it down, this will be 10, okay? There's also 9 that can only go in here, which is 19. So 19 means that the remainder is 12. 1 can't go in there. Just can't. So this is going to be 10 plus 16, which means this is a 5. And if that's a 5, that can't be a 6. Oh, that's a 1 up there as well. 5, 2, and 9, which means it's a 4. 4 and 1 means this is a 6. Scanning says that that's a 6. Scanning also says that's going to be 3 and 1, 2. Okay, so where else? That means that this is 11. So it can't be 2 and 9, can't be 3 and 8, can't be 5 and 6. This has to be 4 and 7. There's no 4 and 7 going across it. That's fine though. Put that in. Solves down here, which is going to be 8. This will be 3. So this solves this bit over here. 2 and 4. Okay, 5, 6 and 8 means that this 13's only got one solution, which is 4 and 9. 9 and 7 and 9. Now this 8 it's got 3 solutions. Can't be 3 and 6. So it can't be 2 and 6. Can't be 3 and 5. It has to be 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Which means that, what's left over? Okay, we can tidy this up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 8. So this is 5 and 8. 5 and 8. This is going to be 2. Bit of scanning. Then this will be 7, equally, bit of scanning. Which means that this is 9 plus 13, 22. So this has to be 1. 5 and 8. Missed that. 4 and 7. Up here is 4 and 7 as well. I think that's all the 7s, right? Yep. Okay, so what we got left? Nice, easy peasy bit of scanning, bit of elimination. Okay, so 1 can either go there or there. 1 can't go there because there's a 7. There's a 7 blocking it. So 1, 9, and 1, 2. Hang on, what's this one? 3. That's a 3. Right there, so if that's a 3, that has to be a 3. What's this one? 1, 2, 3. This is a 6. 2. So if that's 6, that's a 6. 2 has to go there. That has to be an 8. What's left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5. And that's a 5. Which means this is a 9 and a 4 and a 9 and a 4. Cool. That one wasn't particularly difficult either. Oh well. Well, you know, I think I'm going to call it a day. 2 in a day is enough. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Hope you got something out of it, and hope to catch you on the next one.